if you want to become profitable in this forex market, there are some things that you should always take serious. First of all is using one time frame. For example, if you're a scalper, it's better to focus on 5-minute time frame, 15 or 1 minute time frame. Now, for example, here we are going to focus more on 5-minute time frame. I'm going to show you the strategy that you can use as a beginner for you to scalp any pair, okay? And you really get good trades in the market. Of course, this strategy is support and resistance, but it will depend to how you trade it. This is advanced support and resistance strategy on our 5-minute time frame, because we are going to trade it in accordance with the market structure. We are going to first identify where the market is trading from, then we shall be able to trade it perfectly, guys. Okay, when you understand your market structure, that this is a bearish market, first of all, first draw your support and resistance zones. Wait for the market to come there, then you execute a trade. Now, for example, here we have this resistance zone. Draw it there, and also we have this resistance zone. We are going to mark all of them, and you see we have this resistance zone. Okay, then we have some of the support levels. We have this support level right here. Okay, yes, as easy as that. Now this is how we trade it, guys. Remember, I have this resistance and support. Now we wait for the market to come back to your support or resistance level, and for this case it has to first sweep that support or resistance level and it closes above it, right? This is how we shall trade it. When you really see this here, this market, it came to our support level and it rejected it and left there a week. That is when we shall always trade this market, guys. We shall wait for the market to create a wick on our support level, because most of the times this market is taking away traders. It is hitting their stop losses. But now here, it swept our support level very perfectly, guys, right? You can see here that it came, it swept, it closed above the support level, then it gave us the bullish candle, then you execute the trade on your 5 minutes, right? Or is the stop loss, we put it just down here like on 5 pips, then the TP, it is always a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 3 since we are scalping, guys, okay? You can see that here we drew our resistance lines, right? So now here, this resistance line, you can see it perfectly from right here, that when the market came to your resistance right here, can you see how it rejected your resistance level? This is what we always wait for. When the market closes with the full body candle, don't trade it. Just wait. Just leave it. We always trade it when it closes below, and it leaves a wick, right? It has to close below as it has closed there. It has left a wick here immediately after that candle being closed right here. So here, the trader, you just enter. Don't wait for anything, right? Here we just enter and we put our stop loss just above that wick, right? And you wait for the market to do what it wants to do, because sometimes we are sure that it will go in our direction. But if it hits the stop loss, it is fine. But at least on 10 trades, you get 7 of them, right, guys? This scalping strategy, it is actually very nice and good. When you really try it, you get high win rate, right? So if this video has helped you, consider subscribing, give a like to this video, share to friends so they can also benefit.